Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In this video, we are going to learn about the two-step verification. That is, we are going to send the OTP to your email and then you have to verify that email. Then you are able to register or log in. Okay, so let's have a look for that one, how we have implemented this one. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the registration, so let's go and check the register part. Okay, so we have to revise the registration. So here we have the name, email, password. Okay, so existing user, this is the old code. Then we have to generate the verification code with the help of this. Okay, so make sure you have to create the code for that one, otherwise you can use the nanoid library for this. Okay, verification code, I'm generating the random one. So save the verification code securely into your database verification code and the save this user, right? Then I'm going to send this email for that user. Okay, your verification code is, let's have a look. I think then I have to go with another one. So let's register the user and send the code. Then we have to verify that OTP it is valid or not. Okay, so here we go with this one. I think in the user model we have to save that also. Let me check. In the registration they have saved the verification code, okay, which is in the models. I haven't used it. So in the models, I will go with the users and we should go with our model for this one, right? So this is the name. We will go with the OTP also. So required, we don't need it. Just make the OTP verification code type string or integer, depends on to you. Okay, so this is done. Verification code. Now we are going to just do with clear this and make a request of node server.js. Let's do the registration first. Okay, this is login, this is register. Let's add another email to that one. So we will go with the temp mail. Okay, so let's go to the temp. I think the temp mail is already opened, but let's reload this because I need the different one. Temp mail. Let's try to log they do this one. I think this is the same email that we have this one 9 APN. We require different. Let's add the millinator. Hope so millinator will work over there. Millinator. So let's me go with Rajni 90. We will add. Let's go and just add the here registration. Rajni 90. Rajni 90 at the rate millinator.com. Okay, done. Rajnikant 2. Let's try to send this. Email could not be sent. Email could not be referenced. Generate token is not defined. Okay, so I think I have done something wrong over there. But what we have done wrong? Generate token, which is send token response. Only user and response we have to send. Control register. So only this we have to send, nothing else. Okay, let's save this. Now we are going to just node server. Let's try to register that user. I think he have registered that user 901. Okay, let's send it. Okay, so here we go with this one. We have this OTP verification, that is 963. 544. Let's have a look to verify this one. I think we have a right 901, I suppose. It's 90 or what? Message is sent. Yeah, 901. I think there will be again the issue with this. The email will not come. Let's make it 902. Okay. Let's make it 902 and let's try to send it again. Okay. Let's see. Rajni 902. There is an issue with this millinator always. Let's try to go with the new private window and let's go with the temp mail. Okay. We received that email. Let's try to register with that user. Okay, let's go with this one and here we go with this one. So here we have this email for the OTP. Okay, so we received that verify your email address. We have the code right now. Now verify this code. Now we have the OTP verification. So let's do the OTP verification over here. I think OTP hyphen verify. This is the function. This is the route, I suppose. Let's go and check the routes over there. Then we have a verify OTP with the post request, and we require the email and the OTP both. So make a post request and go with body, withdraw with JSON. Here we require the email, so let's put the email. Okay, and we require the OTP also. OTP, then make it like this. And what would be the so email? Copy this and go to postman with paste this OTP. OTP we will go with this one and here we go with this. If I put something like this, what will happen? Cannot post. This is not the post request. Why? Let's have a look. Auth routes, router post, verify OTP, verify OTP. We have make the wrong route. Okay, let's try to send it. Invalid OTP, right? Because it's not validated. Now I'm going to add this 3 to validate this OTP. And now OTP verified successfully, and now you can make that the email is verified or the phone number is verified, something like this. You can like you can add. Okay, so this is how the OTP verification via email is done. Let's do the OTP verification with the Twilio also, like the SMS. Okay, so in the next video we are going to do that one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. This is the playlist, so make sure you have to watch each and everything. So this is already done. Okay, the last video we have done about the blacklisting JWT token. Now we have done with sending the OTP or two-factor authentication. We have done the next one with the SMS. We will done that one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.